หาอยู่ found it. The next we will learn letter H to H sound. Letter H for horse. Letter H for hat. Horse and hat sound. Letter I for ice. Letter I for ink. Ice and ink. Letter J sound. Letter J for jean. Letter J for jam. Jeans and jam. Letter K sound. Letter K for key. Letter K for kite. Key and kite. Letter L sound. Letter L for lion. Letter L for lemon. Letter